So this is my ultimate T20 11. This is my ultimate T20 team of all time. On number 1, I'll open with Chris Gayle. On number 2, I will have AB de Villiers. On number 3, I will have Rohit Sharma. On number 4, I will have Joss Butler. On number 5, Virat Kohli. On number 6, I will have MS Dhoni. On number 7, I will have Sikandar Raza. Number 8, Ravi Jadeja. Number 9, on number 9, get an all-rounder. On number 9, I'll have Rashid Khan. On number 10, I'll have Abiso Rabada. On number 11, I will have Bumrah. Keep on enjoying the T20 World Cup and best of luck, Zimbabwe.